In this video, I'm going to show you how to never smash your fingers with a hammer again. For some people, just the very mention of a finger getting pounded with a hammer or smashed in a door is enough to make some people very nauseated. A smashed finger is not only painful and unpleasant, but if serious enough can send some people to the hospital. And as we all know, hospital visits can get quite expensive, especially for the uninsured. Well, this is a tip that the professional carpenter may not need, but for the DIY people, it can be useful when you need to hang a picture or for any other reason you might need to drive a nail. For this, all you need is a simple clothespin. Simply hold the pin in the position accordingly. This will get your fingers out of the way when it's time to swing the hammer, so if you miss, instead of smashing your finger, you will smash the clothespin. Not a big deal. You can also use some needle nose pliers to hold the nail if you don't have a clothespin handy. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button for me and watch this video next where I show you why you should light a match around your toilet.